data dictionary. We call this as a central repository system. Central repository system means in EWM technical or any side, if we work with the, when we touch anything technically, for an example, here, what is the section profile? What is this application? What are these actually? What is this? These are nothing but the technical parts. So when we double click, when we click on the condition configuration, for an example, so here, if I click on the technical name, these are all the fields. These are all nothing but the standard definitions, fields. Processing detail or start condition, whatever we do the configuration, these are the technical things. These are the methods. So when you see any technical thing, where is exist? Where is the source of these things, all the things, where it exists inside the system? It exists inside the central repository system we call data dictionary. Whenever we work on any technical thing or anything, it comes from the central side. I will tell you. Central side means, for an example, you're working with EWM box in S4HANA. For EWM, I can say EWM layer or box. But even with S4HANA, you have one central repository system, which we call is the database. Even in the HANA, we have the database. All these things, the classes, the methods, table entries, definitions, fields, name, everything exists here inside the table. Inside the table, inside the database layer in S4HANA, we have that. This is the table. Inside the table, we have the data dictionary. Table is not a data dictionary. Inside the table, we have the data dictionary, which is the central source of data, central repository system. So if we see here, this is the technically supply chain, delivery, PRD, out for outbound processes. Okay, where is exist exactly? Where is exist? All the custom entries, these methods. These are the different like other sessions in the technical EWM where I cover these parts. What are the class? What are the methods? But here brief I'm showing. So whenever we execute any functional any configuration, it fetches from here. So in the technical side, I cover the like central repository system, database, data dictionary. This is second chapter. So in the first chapter, I covered like how we work with the. It depends upon the like people, their requirement. Some functional people, they want to they want to touch like not in depth, very briefly. So I will cover that. Some people, they want to touch us very briefly, very depth. That I will also cover here. In the document, you will see. So these are the things. And now you may ask if you want to ask anything, or like you may raise the questions, because in this my trainings, we have the two kind of sections. Functional side, where I teach purely functional, like introduction, terminology, methodology, and all the plant, why we have the plant, why we have the storage location, what we do with the storage location, like temporary storage location or permanent storage location we have, like master data, and a lot of things here I cover, like cross processing settings and cross applications. Also technical side, we call cross applications, like RFC. Then we have the application link enable, then we have electronic data interchange, then with IDOC, intermediate documents. So there were some drawbacks with an RFC. There were some drawbacks before. with the RFC. That's why BAPI came into the picture, or like advanced, we have the electronic data interchange, because here every record is going to very highly encrypted form when we do the transfer the data in between two systems. With the in my few videos you see like it's like a carrier, like a, we can say as a vehicle or transportable unit. In my other language I will say this is the idea.